Okay guys, this is what we're going to be working on today, the staggered double crochet pair. Isn't this just a lovely stitch? I think you guys are going to have fun with this. And it looks the same on both sides. Here we go. The staggered double crochet pair. Guys, to get started on this, it really doesn't matter what size yarn you use, what size hook you use, because this is just a stitch. And so you can incorporate this stitch into any type of project that you think fits best for it. So let's go ahead and get started on this. What you will, when you're making this stitch, if you're wanting to incorporate this in a project, you need to make sure that you have an even number of stitches, and then you need to add 2 for the foundation. So I'm going to go ahead, and my even number is going to be 12. So you will need to chain an even number, and like I said, my even number is going to be 12. So make you a chain of even amount of stitches. Okay, so we're going to double crochet 2 together over the 4th and 5th chain from the hook. So yarn over, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, insert your hook in the 5th chain, yarn over, pull through. You should have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, we're going to chain 1, and we're going to work in that same chain stitch you just worked through. Yarn over, insert your hook in that chain stitch space you just did, yarn over, pull through, insert your hook in the next chain, yarn over, pull through. You should have 4, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, now we're going to chain 1 again, and we're going to continue that. Yarn over, insert your hook in that last chain stitch you just made, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull, go insert to the next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2, and don't forget to chain 1. So you're working double crochet, you're working 2 double crochets together, this one and this chain, yarn over, insert your hook in the chain stitch you just made, yarn over, pull through, insert your hook in the next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and chain 1, and just continue that all the way across. You're working 2 double crochets together. Yarn over, insert your hook in that last chain stitch, yarn over, pull through, insert your hook in the next chain space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and chain 1. There you go. All right, just continue that all the way across. When you get to the end, make a double crochet in that last chain. All right, go ahead and chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Turn your work. Now we're going to work a double crochet in these 2 chain spaces together. Yarn over, insert your hook in a chain space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, insert your hook in the next chain space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and chain 1. And you're going to crochet 2 to get 2 double crochets together in the next 2 chain spaces, but in the one that you just finished, in your next one. So insert your hook in that same space you just worked in, yarn over, pull through, insert your hook in the next chain space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops and chain 1. And you're going to continue that, working in that last stitch you just made. Yarn over, insert your hook in that last stitch you just made, yarn, pull through, insert your hook in the next chain space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops and chain 1. And just continue that, yarn over, insert your hook in that last stitch made, yarn over, pull through, insert your hook in the next chain space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops and chain 1. And this is what you got. So just continue that all the way till you get to this last chain space. Okay. Now when you get to the end, make a double crochet in the top of your turning chain. It's that simple, guys, and you just keep repeating that. That's it. Very easy to make. So have fun with this, incorporate this in all kinds of projects, and just enjoy it. It is the Staggered Double Crochet Pair. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.